Hi, welcome back. It's been a long time. So, what is the today's topic? Clear your confusion about document type and document category in SAP S4 HANA or any versions or ECC for that matter, whatever you take. Okay. So let's try to understand this. So, so when you see, there is something called, it is very, very important to understand document architecture, whether you take sales documents, billing documents, or pre-sales document or post-sales documents, or else your delivery documents or your contracts or scheduling agreements. This is very, very basic in nature, especially those people who would like to learn footsteps at early of their career. Better to clear out this confusion between your document type and document category. So how exactly it was useful, I'll discuss about in a later video. Okay, before that, my name is Jagdish Kumar. I'm currently holding 5,000 students in Udemy, 789 successful reviews. Whether good or bad, it doesn't matter. So this is sales and distribution, which is around, not around, more than 100 and plus hours this course actually, if you like on ECC. And if someone is worrying about what is IDOC and different kind of questions on IDOC, so you are troubling yourself to get that knowledge at the time of working in your new projects. Better get depth knowledge in standard about real-time IDOC training, and this is one of my top favorite course pricing. Along with that, I have done one more course for pricing advanced, like that, few set of courses like getting master to write functional specification. All these are, see, I have targeted these courses. If you learn already this course also, so I would like to give some knowledge, give some edge, the 10% to get a job at your end more comfortable. So this is for business partners as for and a few courses also available. I'm just almost around uh, you know 20 plus courses available at my end. So I would like to add, I recently added this course. This is for support almost like standard incidents. Real time means nothing is uh, more coming from somewhere from outside of this external world. So on business systems, so if any modifications or G tables or user exists and BAPIS and all the stuff will comes into picture. In standard, the frequency in OTC, what kind of incidents you are going to face, and your support actions. I have done this one as one course. Specifically, you can able to find, you will get an idea how exactly the real-time incidents looks like, for end user support. Let's get into the topic. So this is the confusion. What is this? So let's go to Vivo V8. Let's try to understand this in a better way. This is S4 HANA 2021 screen. Okay. So even ECC or S4 HANA also, this is no differs. So let's go to order. Okay. This is the document type, and this is the description, and this is document category. Okay. Let's try to understand this. So this, or suppose if I copied it as like triple one Z standard order, I'll make it as a quotation. Okay. So this triple one Z. Okay. So let's close this, no issues. This is the sample document. So now I'm calling it as a standard quotation. Okay. I have given this document name type as 4 digits alphanumeric. This is everyone aware of that. And I have given this one as a standard quotation. Okay. Try to understand this. So when I give this description, or also when I give some kind of code, it cannot behave like the targeted document type in your business what you are looking for. Okay, for example, So let's go VA01. So I'm just giving triple jet. Okay. This is order. So this is a mere description, right? So what I'm doing, VA01 is your sales order. What is the quotation? Okay, quotation type. Now you give the same thing. What it is saying, you cannot able to process with the transaction. Okay. So what is the basic control? Okay. For example, if I go for VA21, let's take this is standard QT or ZQT, whatever you copy. Okay, you will have a valid from date and a valid to date, and you will have different controls will be there. Okay, so if it is quotation, if it is inquiry, if it is sales order, okay, that it cannot be controlled by what is that? Your document type. So this is just a mere 4 digit alphanumeric code. That's it, nothing else. Okay. So whether it is quotation, whether it is sales order, for example, this I am giving it as a contract. Okay. What is the T code for contract? Okay. Let's go for it. VA41. Again, I am giving this one. So that is, you can clearly understand. You can clearly, try to analyze this one. You can clearly understand this one is not a contract, not because of this name or else not because of this code actually. Okay, what exactly it is? This is again a behave like a some document. What is that? Okay, let's go for this. Okay, let's have a look around. I'm just giving it a sales order. So, but description is coming as a create a contract. Okay, you are getting confused. Don't confuse. If you are a beginner, then you will have a lot of confuse. Okay, so experienced people aware of this. If someone who learned perfectly, they know about this one. What is the secret behind it? So this is just the code which is going to store in database to control the definition of this document type. Whether this document type has a certain behavior, certain piece of code that will be controlled by your document category. Okay. So if it is order, then it is always C, irrespective of whatever the code you have taken, description you have taken. If it is inquiry, then it is IN. Okay. For example, let's take this. Let's go to inquiry. This is A. If I say order means it cannot become sales order. Okay. It's always inquiry only. Okay. I'm not going to change any standards. I just would like to give the difference between, because this is very, very useful. These kind of minute things, how it will be useful at the time of what I would say, you are giving logic to your ABAP team. It is very, very useful. That we will discuss. I'll try to add in one of my video how exactly your practice will be helpful. Okay. So inquiry is IN. Quotation is B. Okay. Credit memo K. Debit memo L. Returns H. See that practice. Okay. So like this, you can able to do this. So then you can clearly understand what is the basic difference between your document type and document category. Your document category is going to control your document type definition. C means it will pick the background, the code, what SAP written, what is the logic written. So C means it should behave like a sales order. Apart from that, you will have in that particular sales order, how it is supposed to behave. All these different kind of controls will be there. Okay. So that is different story. If you would like to learn in a full-fledged manner, you can better try my course in ECC. It will give you the clear picture. Okay. This is document architecture, not only document architecture, 100 plus hours. SD, you will get everything here. Accept pricing. Pricing, I have two separate courses because that should require, see, when you learn something seriously, we'll have a separate discussion and you have a collective discussion. If there is no link, then if it has some importance, it will be separated and separately discussed because it has an importance in your career prospection. Okay, so this is the basic difference between this and this. In the similar way, if you go to Vivo FA, okay, so everyone know this one, right? So this is F2 is M document category. So your F2 will be not controlled by this document type or description. It will be controlled by this one. In the similar way, if you go to credit memo, it will be O, right? So let's go to the credit memo. What is this? Someone has 1 second. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is G2. I'm sorry. This is G2. That is sales document type. Okay. We are now in billing, right? So this is O. Let's go to L2. This is debit memo. P. In the similar way, returns, it will be. So RE means again G2 will come. For cancellation document, it is S1. If you go to S2, like that, it has its own importance. So of document category has a lot of importance. Someone might ask, especially for freshers or else sometimes if you're experienced, if they got a doubt, they will ask these kind of simple questions. For that, don't lose your interviews and try to learn with a lot of perfection, whatever you do. Okay. Let's go to OVLK. LF. What is that? J. Okay. Let's go to RE. RL, returns, also there. Most of the times, delivery, it will be J. Okay. Let's try to check. Let's go to LR, returns delivery. It's T. Okay. This is the only difference. Most of the times, delivery documents holds the J, or else if it is returns T. Okay. Apart from your other definition. Okay, now I think you got some information because recently one of my colleague asked the same question to one guy. Of course, we shouldn't laugh. We also learned step by step. You also learn with your practice. Come back to the industry with full standard knowledge. That is more than sufficient. I wish you all the best. And more importantly, what I'm going to say, Jai Bharat. Have a great day. Take care. Let's catch up in next session.